Here's my progress so far. It's coming along. I still need a ceiling, but I have all of the cedar boards up along the top and most of them down the side. I just have to do this one, and that's the last one. I have a new doorknob and deadbolt. I just have to sand that down and repaint it. And I have new doors with locks on my 2 windows that I can open. I had to do that because there was no glass. The glass had been broken, so I improvised and I put a screen on the outside and I made little doors so they can open. And I have this wall here that I'm going to sand down and paint, and that's where my shelving will be. And I just have to put some more boards along here in the bottom. And I need my electrical done. I have to put in a light. And this is my mess on the floor. I also have to do my flooring. So this is my mess. This is the state that it looks right now. Oops. This is what it looks like at the moment. And I still have to paint this door as well because it got really messy. And that's it.